Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. A little bit different today. Being the dad of two girls and now a little boy, I have my share of putting things together. As you can see, this is our playroom. This Christmas we got the L.O.L Dolls house. This is a big set to put together. It comes with 85 surprises. Most of the stuff comes in this little special delivery box, except for the actual pieces that you use to build this. I'm going to say, dads, moms out there, give yourself about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half to actually build this thing. Everything goes together with screws. Everything's pre-drilled. So all the pieces are labeled. Instructions are pretty clear. But once you're putting everything together, just make sure you're paying attention to what the pieces look like and where they go. And then this is the final thing put together. You have yourself a little salon there, disco ball. It comes with these pieces here, a little cat. And then down here to the bedroom, it's got the spiral staircase. The bedroom has bunk beds, a light that actually works, turns on and off, crib. There's your bathroom with a toilet that flushes. Up here is your little outdoor area. There's an umbrella and a chair. Then you come down here to the kitchen. It's got two high chairs, a high top table, some milk cartons, fridge in the back there. And over here's your little family room with a couch and a table. And then down here is probably the nicest part, is you have these two pools. They can be filled with water, and they are completely sealed. There's a little sandbox there, not real sand though, that is all fake. Hour and 15 minutes, great toy if your kids are in the L.O.Ls. If you have girls, chances are they are. This is a nice little dollhouse to put together. It's all composite, not wood, but it's actually cardboard. It's composite cardboard, so it is durable, but it's a little bit fragile too. So when you're screwing things in, make sure you don't tighten it too much because you'll start to strip back. So like I said, about an hour and 15 minutes, and then you have your little house put together. Hours and hours and hours of fun for your kids. If you like this review and this how-to, not really how-to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.